Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to create a timestamp in Microsoft Excel. So how to create a timestamp in Microsoft Excel? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Timestamp is useful in recording the time of activities or changes that occur, according to the input time. First, before entering the formula, block all cells on the timestamp. Go to Format Cell. Select the Number Format option. Tap Custom. And in Custom scroll down. And select the Date and Time format. Tap OK. Next here we create a timestamp formula. Tap the cell in the timestamp. Type equals. Type the if formula. Type open brackets. Enter by tap the input cell. Type less than. Type more than. Type equals quote do above. Type double quote odds. Type semicolon. Type the if formula. Type open brackets. Enter cells on the timestamp. Type less than. Type more than. Type equals quote do above. Type double quote odds. Type a semicolon. Enter a cell on the timestamp. Type a semicolon. Type now, its function is to enter the time date. Type open parenthesis. Type close parenthesis. Type close parenthesis again. Type a semicolon. Type the double quote twice. And type close parenthesis. And tap enter. Well, here it is still empty. Next, go to the File menu. Pull down to the Option menu. Pull up and enter the Options menu. Now in this section, please make sure it is checked to display the timestamp results. Here we can enter it in the input. For example, I entered this. Now here it has come out. Now for the next cell, you can immediately block and drag it down. Now we can enter names in the input section. And you can see the results. So that's it. Tutorial how to create a timestamp in Microsoft Excel. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.